inside the Niger Delta.
And now to the APC. The Opposition All Progressives Congress APC finally conducted its primary election on September 4 after it was postponed from its earlier scheduled date of August 29. At the end of the election, contested by 6 aspirants, businessman David Lyon emerged winner, having polled the highest votes of 42,138 votes. Correspondent Ekena Mefore has details of the September 4 APC primary election in Bayelsa State.
Prior to the APC governorship primary election in Bayelsa State was a controversy on its mode of conduct. The party finally settled for direct election following the vacation of an interim injunction restraining it from adopting direct primaries. This paved way for 6 governorship aspirants cleared for the contest to test their popularity across the 105 political wards in Bayelsa State. At the conclusion of the exercise, Mr. David Lyon was announced winner of the primary election. He polled 42,138 votes to beat 5 other aspirants, with Disaye Insering, who polled 1,533 votes, coming a distant second. Chief Coalition Officer Senator Emmanuel Dangana stood in for Yobe State Governor Mai Mala Buni, who was returning officer for the Bayelsa APC governorship primary election. While responding to questions from journalists over the conspicuous absence of the chief returning officer, Senator Dangana maintained that, as chief coalition officer, he was constitutionally empowered to announce the results.
I am not the returning officer. I am the chief coalition officer. The returning officer is His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Yobe State, Governor Mai Mala Buni, who is unavoidably absent. The authorities are aware of his absence, and that is why I have the mandate to declare what I have collated.
One of the earliest reactions to the conduct of the just concluded APC governorship primary election came from Minister of State for Petroleum Timipri Silva, a chieftain of the party in Bayelsa State, who described the entire process as very peaceful and credible. The position of the former governor of Bayelsa State is, however, contrary to the views of some aggrieved governorship aspirants and their supporters, alleging foul play in the conduct of the primaries.
Inside the Niger Delta.